Now to UK news, where the UK government is again under the radar for its asylum policies. A British judge has ruled that Home Secretary Suella Braverman acted unlawfully and failed to provide basic support to asylum seekers. Well, 5 claimants challenged Braverman in the High Court. 3 of them brought proceedings over delays in providing financial support. The other 2 challenged the government on failures to provide cash payments to pregnant women and children. Well, the judge found that Braverman broke the law in withholding payments of $3.86 a week. Now, the payments are used to provide healthy food for children aged 1 to 3 and to pregnant women. The court ordered that Braverman is to start making these payments to thousands of pregnant women and people with children. According to a Home Office spokesperson, the department is considering the court's findings. The payment is crucial for the asylum seekers, and many of them are heavily dependent on the Home Office for survival. Asylum seekers are not allowed to work in the first year the claim is being considered. An exception, though, is granted only to those on the government's work shortage list. So let's get more details on this from our London correspondent, Alex Isaac, who's joining us now. So this is rather complicated. People are going to take one side or the other. But for now, it sounds like Braverman is in a bit of hot water once again.
Well, yes, of course, this is an ongoing concern for the government with regards to trying to sort out this immigration bill policy, going through all of those little details, which we are now hearing have been put into a document that has gone through many different stages and changes as well. But of course, the ultimate underlying factor of this is the fact that the government really want to be pushing through on that bill. They want to be pushing through that priorities. There's 5 priorities, and one of them was to sort out the backlog of migration issues that we have within the UK. And of course, this is going to come up against a lot of problems with regards to people who are suggesting that anything that the UK does is against people's human rights, because obviously they are suggesting that, that of course you can filter out some people through all of these types of bills and these plans. However, there are a lot of people who are trying to get over to the UK and seek asylum legally, and those people will be shunned and dismissed if they are all tarred with the same brush. So that's going to be this ongoing rumbling concern as we head forward to try and sort out a kind of medium ground to ensure that people aren't taking advantage of the benefits within the UK, and also that the UK isn't paying out over than it should, and also that people are getting the asylum that they truly do seek. And if they do need to come to the country, then they should also be able to, without having to go through so many hoops if they are from a dangerous country or having a dangerous situation.
Alex Isaac, thank you so very much indeed, discussing the very divisive topic of migration here in the UK. That's Alex Isaac, our London correspondent.